Okay, what we're looking at here is the 2019 Shelby GT350. So this is the revised edition of the car. So Ford did a little tweaking with the suspension and also the aero. And made this even a better car on the track, which had no issues whatsoever in the beginning. And I love the fact that this one doesn't have the stripes over the top, gives it a much more sinister look. Still got that 15 to 17 front end. I think it's a really sleek front end, especially with that snout. A lot more aggressive than the 18s. And I love the redesigned wheels. Really sharp looking design. They got rid of the cross drilling. Better for the brake pads, and there was no need for the cross drilling. So Ford made a good move there with the gigantic rotors, the lightweight wheels. So this one has 295 tires up front and 305s in the back. And these are Sport Cup 2s with a particular tread wearing for the Shelby, specifically designed for this car. This is an awesome automobile, and really cool. Finally get to see this new spoiler, and it has a nice look to it. It really accentuates the body, and it's a nice fit to the vehicle. So you got your dual exhaust here in the back, it's your quad exhaust across, and it's a good looking spoiler. Definitely gives the car a lot of width. So this car is still powered by the 5.2 liter Voodoo motor, flat plane crank, making 526 horsepower, 429 foot-pounds of torque, and exclusively made it to a manual transmission, and that's the way it's supposed to be. So hopefully Ford changed their mind about the GT500 and gives us a manual for that option. And this car is really sharp. This is definitely a track monster, and with the supercharger on top, I think this might be the way to go. So you get your stick shift and best of both worlds. It's got the high revving motor, sounds fantastic. Absolutely a fan of this automobile. So this was a quick look at the 2019 Shelby, and they'll be definitely ripping off a lot of tracks in the days to come. Have a great day.